Hey, I'm Jamie with Ultimate Landscapes here in Foley, Alabama. Been in business since 2001. We got started out doing lawn care and ultimately got into landscaping, irrigation, hardscapes, and we do all types of work, use all types of equipment. The Z-Track mowers come in very handy to maintain any type of turf that we're up against. We maintain properties from down at the beach all the way to North Baldwin County, and in our landscape side of the company, the mini excavators and skid steers come in handy as far as shuttling turf, shuttling pallets of hardscape material. We do a lot of drainage work, which requires the mini excavator and digging those trenches and installing those products properly. And our gators, we use those gators on large turf jobs, from hauling scrap material to dragging softball fields, baseball fields, golf courses, getting that subsoil perfectly before we start installing the turf. I think one huge plus for the John Deere Z-Track mowers that I can appreciate and I love is the zero downtime program that they offer to their customers. For an example, if one of my crews comes in with a mower that is down for any reason whatsoever, these guys take my mower into the shop and load a loaner mower up on the truck so my crews can continue the business for that day. We do not lose time on any jobs. That is a huge part of why we switched over to the John Deere brand from our other brand that we ran for several years. The day after Hurricane Sally hit, obviously it was a tremendous disaster and a very stressful time for everyone in South Baldwin County. I picked the phone up and called SunSouth, got on the phone with Larry and told him that we needed some equipment, and with all the work that we had piled up on top of us overnight, more equipment was needed at that time. I came up here, Larry put me into a second 317G that I purchased from them. He had 2 sets of grapples waiting on me. I was able to get the equipment, get to work, make sure that my customers were taken care of. We were pulling trees off of houses, off of vehicles, clearing driveways. You can imagine the disaster we had here. We were able to do a lot of that work because these guys right here at SunSouth made it happen for me by getting the equipment that we needed in a timely manner. The crew here at the parts counter were great with making sure we had chainsaws, chains for those saws, any bar oil, any equipment that we needed to get out to our crews to continue working, just as we did with the equipment that we purchased here from Larry. My recommendation to anyone out there that is considering any kind of tractors, skid steers, excavators, or any equipment that they provide here at SunSouth is to come down and talk to one of these guys. They're tremendous help, putting you in what you need. And I can tell you right now, I'm a SunSouth customer for life.